No, that's one of those things that's interesting though, is I've heard people say before that before getting an advanced degree, it's helpful a lot of the times to like work for a little bit first so you
Hmm.
appreciate and get more out of it. And like that's one of the things that I've like highlighted on this podcast before, where one of the cool things about like being an adult and like working in the real world is it feels like what you do makes more of an impact. So when you're learning new things, you're more able to directly apply it to your experience and like the goals that you're aiming for, which I don't know, like it makes it interesting. And I could like definitely see how like Denise of you saying that it was like more impactful for you, kind of a bit of that like behind like mindset behind it kind of thing, I guess.
Well, I think, there's always that like meme of like the little kid being like, when are we ever going to use this? And when
Yep.
you're already working, it's so easy to be like, no, I'll use this tomorrow.
Yeah.
Like this is important to me today. As opposed to like when you're in your undergrad and it's like all abstract. Like there's value tomorrow. Like there's value added every time in class. And I think that's
Yeah.
just different.